Hello and welcome to AnjalisBakeAffair. Today I will share with you a classic dessert which is one of my guilty pleasures. It is the Sticky Toffee Pudding. We will make a rich, dark and moist date cake, and then I'm going to drench it in my version of the English Toffee Sauce. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you still haven't done so. And now, let's get started. First, we'll make the date cake, for which you need pitted dates, boiling hot water, flour, baking soda, baking powder, eggs, butter, demerara or muscovado sugar, and 1 tablespoon of black treacle, or you can also use honey. And then for the toffee sauce, you need some butter, some demerara or muscovado sugar, 1 tablespoon of black treacle or honey, whichever is available, and 100 ml of thick cream. The first thing we will do is soak our dates. Chop them up roughly and then add the soda bicarb to these dates, and then pour the boiling hot water over them, cover them and leave them to soak while we get on to the cake batter. For the cake batter, beat room temperature butter with the honey or treacle syrup, whichever you have, and then add in the brown sugar or muscovado sugar, whichever you are using. Beat this till the mixture is light and creamy. Now add 1 egg at a time and beat after each egg very well. The mixture may split, but don't worry, that's completely normal. Just make sure that you're adding room temperature eggs. Now add in the vanilla, the flour and the baking powder and mix well again. Till you have this batter. Now it's time to get the dates out and mix them up into this batter. By now your dates must be all soft and mushy, so you can beat them up, mash them up roughly as you want, and then add them to this batter. Mix it nicely and your cake batter is ready. Now you can bake this in individual ramekins or dishes or in a big baking tin. I chose to bake them in these individual ramekins. Whatever you bake them in, make sure that you grease your bowl and flour it very well, because this is a slightly sticky batter and it does tend to stick to your baking tins. I'm greasing them with butter, loads of it, and then I'm flouring them as well. In goes the batter. And the cake goes to bake inside the oven at 170 degrees C for about 20 to 25 minutes. And while this cake bakes, on to my favorite part of this recipe, the yummy English toffee sauce. Yes, so this is my version of the toffee sauce. Take a pan, make sure it's thick bottomed, and add in the butter. Keep the heat low to medium. As soon as the butter starts to melt, add in the sugar, followed by the honey. Make sure you keep stirring it all the while, otherwise there's always the danger of your toffee sauce getting burnt. Now this will take a few minutes and patience is the key here. Once it's thick enough and you can smell that caramelly fragrance, you know that your toffee is ready. But yes, you still need to add the cream to it. At this point, lower the heat to a minimum, add in the cream, stir it up well. And once you're happy with the consistency of your toffee sauce, here you can see it's very thick and it's coating the spoon in a very thick layer. So this is what I wanted for my toffee sauce, and here it is. So it's now ready. Ooh, look at that. That's like a waterfall of guilty pleasure. Now our cakes are baked. Let's get them out. Onto a plate. And my favorite part, drenching this date cake with this toffee sauce. Look at that. Now this pudding is best enjoyed when it's warm. The cake is warm, the toffee sauce is warm, and this is heaven on a plate. Go ahead and make this cake and enjoy it in this winter season. So till next time, bye-bye and enjoy.